Matebook X price here. It's 2,299 euros. You know, you may feel that's so much is a new technology and innovation here. Currently, the cost is very expensive. We are trying, our engineer, we are trying to make the cost down. But currently, so it's really a lot of new technology inside this. Open it. You can see it's the 8-inch. So it gives you really the 5G is better for privacy and security and protection. So you can see the full edge of this. So about this, yes, it's no out there. The Huawei Mate X, we bring you the future of design, the future of technology. This Falcon wing design. Our engineer, we are working on this for 3 years. We put so much.
Dat je er meer van? Ik wil er wel voor betalen.